Hello! In this video I will show you how to set a blade tension in a scroll saw. This scroll saw I purchased cheap on a garage sale. It is in a very good shape. Needs a little bit of cleaning. The top table rust can be cleaned with stainless steel scrubs. I will use this saw today, and before I put it to storage, I will treat the table with tool oil to prevent rusting. I need to cut out this element for my chicken coop ventilation. I will just trace the shape of it to a piece of plywood. The saw is held by 3 clamps to the table to prevent walking. Cutting and testing the saw if there are any problems with it. And it works. The element is cut out. Just needs some minor corrections. Beauty. This scroll saw is accepting flat end blades and blades with pins. To replace the blade, one must release the blade tension, turning this knob at the back. And move up this bolt. The blade holder can be removed now from the rocker arm assembly at the top. Blades with pins sit directly in grooves at rocker arms on top and at the bottom. Blade holders are used only with flat end blades. The flat end blades are held at blade holders by tightening those bolts. Installing blades is simple. We set it first at the bottom, and then at the top. The blade holder locking knob must be set at 1/16 of an inch from the blade holder. The blade teeth must point to the table. Then one must tighten the back knob to set accurate blade tension. How to do it? It comes with experience. Too loose and it will wander around the cutting line. Too tight and it may break. Sorry, a guitar tuner will not work here. The item is cut out. Let's prepare the saw for storage. Some oil will prevent table surface rust. One more thing. The table can be set at 45 degrees to the blade. Let's finish the chicken coop repair. Till next time.